Today, let's take a look at the unboxing of the water bullet tank. The outer box is undamaged. Upon opening, it's nicely packaged in a gift box, perfect for gifting. Let's continue unboxing. Included are the water bullets and rechargeable batteries provided by the seller. Now, let's unscrew the screws underneath and take out the tank. Here comes our protagonist. This is today's style. It's really nice and meets my expectations. If you like it too, you can give it a try. Now let's take a closer look. Here's one of the wheels. This is the side view of the tank. The tank comes with a gesture-sensing control wristband. You can control the tank by hand gestures. All the accessories are here. Let's move on to the demonstration. That's it, all set up. Let's see how powerful it is. Firing the water bullet.